Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Daily Speak. Today, we'll practice easy shopping English in different places. Fruit shop, vegetable shop, meat shop, flower shop, and more. Listen to the conversations, repeat after me, and try to imagine you are shopping with me. Let's start.
Good morning. How much are the apples today?
Good morning. The apples are $2 per kilo. Very fresh.
They look nice. Can I taste one?
Sure. Here you go.
Very sweet. I'll take 2 kilos of apples.
Great choice. Anything else?
Yes, how about bananas?
Bananas are $1 per kilo.
Okay, give me 1 kilo, please.
So 2 kilos of apples and 1 kilo of bananas. That's $5 in total.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come again tomorrow.
Hello. Do you have fresh tomatoes today? Yes. These tomatoes are from the farm this morning. $2 per kilo. They look very red. I'll take 1 kilo. What about onions? Onions are $1.50 per kilo. A little expensive. Can you give me a discount? Okay, for you, $1.20 per kilo. Perfect. I'll take 2 kilos. Good choice. Anything else? No, that's enough. How much is everything? 1 kilo of tomatoes and 2 kilos of onions. That's $4.40 in total. Here's $5. Keep the change. Thank you very much. Hello. Do you have fresh fish today?
Yes, these fish came in this morning. Very fresh.
How much for 1 kilo?
$5 per kilo.
A little high. Can you make it 4?
I can do $4.50.
Okay, deal. I'll take 1 kilo. Do you have shrimp?
Yes, fresh shrimp, $7 per kilo.
Give me half a kilo, please.
So 1 kilo of fish and half a kilo of shrimp. That's $8 total.
Here's the money. Thank you.
Thank you. Come again.
Hi, I need some new plates. How much are these?
These plates are $3 each.
They look strong. I'll take 4.
Good. Do you need cups too? We have a discount today.
Really? How much?
$1.50 per cup, but if you buy 6 cups, only $7.
That's a good deal. I'll take 6 cups.
Perfect. 4 plates and 6 cups, that's $19.
Here you go. Please wrap them carefully.
Of course. Thank you for shopping.
Good afternoon. I want some chicken, please. Sure. Whole chicken or pieces? Just chicken breast. 1 kilo, please. 1 kilo chicken breast, $6. Anything else? Yes, some beef. How much is beef per kilo? Beef is $9 per kilo. A bit expensive. Give me half a kilo only. Okay, so 1 kilo chicken breast and half kilo beef. That's $10.50. Here's $11. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello. How much are these potato chips?
$2 per pack.
I'll take 3 packs. Do you have orange juice?
Yes, fresh orange juice. $3 a bottle.
Great. I'll take 2 bottles.
3 packs of chips and 2 bottles of juice. That's $12.
Here's the money. Thank you.
Thanks. Enjoy your snacks.
Hi, I need new earphones. We have wired and wireless. Which do you prefer? Wireless, please. These wireless earphones are $25. Do they have warranty? Yes, 6 months. Okay, I'll take them. Do you also sell power banks? Yes, this one is fast charging, $15. Perfect. I'll buy one too. Total is $40. Here's the cash. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hello. I need some spices. Do you have garlic?
Yes, very fresh. $2 per kilo.
I'll take half a kilo. What about ginger?
Ginger is $3 per kilo.
Give me half a kilo too. And some chili, please.
Red chili, $4 per kilo.
Just half a kilo.
Okay. Half kilo garlic, half kilo ginger, half kilo chili. That's $4.50.
Here's $5. Keep the change.
Thank you.
Hi. How much are the roses?
$1 per stem.
I'll take 10 roses.
Great. Do you like sunflowers too?
Yes, they're beautiful. How much?
$2 each.
I'll buy 3 sunflowers.
10 roses and 3 sunflowers. That's $16.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Hi, I need some school supplies. How much are the pens?
$1 each. But if you buy 5, it's $4.
That's good. I'll take 5 pens. Do you have notebooks?
Yes, large notebooks are $3 each. Small ones are $2.
I'll buy 2 large notebooks and 2 small notebooks.
Perfect. 5 pens, 2 large notebooks, 2 small notebooks. That's $13.
Here you are. Please put them in a bag.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck with your studies.
My friends, that's the end of today's shopping practice. We bought fruit, vegetables, meat, snacks, flowers, electronics, and more, all in simple, real English. I hope today's lesson made you smile and helped you feel more confident. Remember, every small practice makes your English stronger, and I'm always here to learn with you, step by step. Now it's your turn. Which shop did you like the most? What do you usually buy in your country? Tell me in the comments in English. I love reading your answers. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the Daily Speak, and tell me which country you are watching from. It makes me so happy to see learners from all around the world. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Take care, stay happy, and keep practicing. See you in the next lesson, my friends.